Hello and welcome to Guitar for Beginners Class 2. We learned the names of the strings in Class 1, so it's learning your first chord. So that's a choice of whatever you would like to do, but learning your first open chord can be quite a task. So today we're going to use the D chord. Okay, so I'll move the guitar neck close so you can see how to play the D chord. So with your index finger, you play the E, A, D, G string. Okay, with your second finger, you play the bottom E string. Okay, and with your third finger, you will play the B string. Okay, and you play from the D string down, E, A, D, and that's where it gets its name from, D. That is a D chord, okay? There it is.